In 2025, investing can feel overwhelming. With rising interest rates, inflation, and non-stop hype around crypto, AI stocks, and side hustles, how do you actually know what works? In this video, I'm going to give you a realistic, data-backed investing strategy for 2025. No hype, no overnight millionaire nonsense, just proven methods that help real people build long-term wealth. Whether you're starting with £100 a month or managing a growing portfolio, this strategy is built to grow with you. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step. What's changed in 2025? Before we get to the strategy, let's talk about the world we're investing in today. Interest rates are higher than they were during the pandemic era. That means borrowing is more expensive, but savings accounts are paying more too. Inflation is still higher than ideal, so your money loses value if it just sits in a bank. Stock markets are stabilizing after volatile years, and crypto is back on the radar. But it's more regulated now. Real estate is becoming harder to afford, especially for first-time buyers. Core principles that work in any economy. These principles are timeless. They worked in 2008, 2020, and they work now in 2025. 1. Pay yourself first. Before you spend, automate your investments. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. 2. Stay diversified. Don't put everything into one asset class. Spread your risk between stocks, ETFs, and a small portion of crypto. 3. Timing. Trying to time the market rarely works. Consistency always beats guesswork. 4. Simplicity wins. The best portfolios aren't complicated. They're repeatable and easy to stick with. The actual strategy, beginner to advanced. Let's walk through the best performing investing structure for 2025. Beginner portfolio, just starting $50 to $100 per month. 80% into a global index ETF like Vanguard, FTSE All World, VWRL. 20% into a crypto split between Bitcoin and Ethereum using a trusted platform like Coinbase or Kraken. Use a platform like Trading 212, Free Trade, or Vanguard UK Focus on automating monthly contributions. Intermediate portfolio, 200 to 500 per month. 60% global index fund, e.g. VWRL. 20% dividend ETFs like iShares UK Dividend or Vanguard FTSE UK Equity Income. 15% crypto, BTC, ETH, possibly staking through a secure wallet. 5% sector ETFs, e.g. clean energy, AI, or tech. Advanced portfolio, 500 plus month. 50% global index plus 20%. Dividend ETFs, 15%. Crypto split across 3 to 4 researched projects, max 10%. Sector ETFs or growth stocks, EEG, semiconductor, AI, or renewable energy. 5% cash or gold for stability. This mix is designed to grow steadily while giving you exposure to high growth opportunities without betting the house. Realistic results over time. If you invest £200 per month into this strategy for 20 years with an average return of 8%, you'll contribute £48,000 total. Your portfolio could grow to over £110,000 if you increase that to £500 per month. Total contribution equals £120,000. Potential value equals over £275,000. This is the power of consistent investing. You don't need to be rich. You need to be patient and consistent. Mistakes to avoid in 2025. Most people don't fail at investing because they chose the wrong stock. They fail because of small, consistent mistakes that quietly sabotage growth. Here are the biggest ones to avoid in 2025. 1. Chasing hype. Every year, a new hot tip floods social media, from meme coins to trending AI stocks. But if your decision is based on TikTok or Reddit, it's gambling, not investing. In 2021, Dogecoin holders saw 80% losses. In 2024, some AI penny stocks surged, then crashed. 2. Trying to time the market missing. Just the 10 best trading days in the last 20 years could cut your returns in half. Even the pros can't time it perfectly. Instead, invest consistently, up or down, using dollar cost averaging. Routine beats guesswork. 3. Ignoring fees. A 1% annual fee might sound small, but it could cost you tens of thousands in lost growth over time. Low fees equals higher returns. 4. Over-diversifying. Owning 50-plus stocks and a dozen ETFs creates confusion, not protection. Keep it simple. 10 to 15 well-chosen holdings is enough for most investors. 5. Starting too late. Every year you wait to start investing reduces your compound growth potential. £300 per month at age 30 versus 40 can be a six-figure difference by retirement. Start small if you need to, but start now. Tools to use in 2025. You don't need to be a financial expert to build wealth in 2025. You just need the right tools to make investing simple, automated, and low cost. Here are the most useful platforms to get started and stay consistent. 1. Trading, 12, and Free Trade. Both are beginner-friendly, commission-free apps that let you buy ETFs, stocks, and index funds. You can set up recurring investments and start with as little as £1. Ideal for hands-off, monthly investing. 2. Vanguard UK. Best for long-term investors who want to stick with simple, proven index funds. Vanguard offers some of the lowest fees in the industry, and you can invest in funds like VWRL or Life Strategy with no trading distractions. 3. Coinbase and Kraken. If you're adding crypto to your portfolio, stick with regulated platforms like these. Both support Bitcoin and Ethereum, allow recurring purchases, and offer two-factor authentication for security. Kraken also supports staking for passive crypto income. 4. Moneybox and Plum. These apps help automate savings by rounding up purchases and investing the spare change. You can also schedule recurring contributions into diversified portfolios based on your risk level. Ideal for new investors or people who struggle to stay consistent. 5. Google Sheets or portfolio trackers. Track your investments manually or with free tools like ShareSite or Vanguard's dashboard. This helps you stay focused, see your progress, and avoid unnecessary trades. In 2025, the best investing strategy is the one that you actually stick with. Consistency, diversification, and simplicity beat hype every single time. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to Wealth Unlocked for real, no-nonsense money content every week.